If you want to start or scale a custom clothing line, then you're going to want to see this. Because what used to take me hours to do, customers can now do themselves in seconds. And I truly wish that this had existed when I started. My very first print-on-demand sale was actually a custom order for over $1,000. And let me tell you, I was thrilled. I remember seeing that order come through and thinking, oh my gosh, this is really happening. Somebody actually wants to buy something that I created. But then the reality hit. I had to customize every single product in that order manually. Every name, every design, every placement, even proof or mock-ups for the customer. It took me nearly an entire day. And while I was incredibly grateful for that order, I remember thinking, there has to be an easier way to do this. Fast forward to today, and print on demand has come a very long way since then. Customers can now enter their very own personalized information, upload their own photo, choose their own fonts, and even see live previews of their customized products right on your Etsy store before they purchase. No confusing back and forth messages, no guessing what the final product will look like, and no manually creating previews for every single customer. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a custom clothing line using Etsy and Printify, how to create a customizable apparel listing, and how the new live preview works from both the seller side and the customer side. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a much clearer picture of how you can build a real clothing brand without ordering inventory, packing boxes, or manually spending all day customizing orders. And these updates with Etsy and Printify are so exciting. I've been using Printify since 2018, and it has never been a better time to get started than right now. So let's get into it. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, I want you to understand something that can completely change the way you approach a custom clothing brand. Most people do not buy a shirt because they need another shirt. They buy what the shirt represents. They buy identity, memories, belonging, or something that makes them say, this is so me. Or something like, this would be perfect for my mom. Or this is exactly like my dog. Or my husband would love this. Or this is perfect for my family vacation. Or this is perfect for our church group. And this is why personalization or custom products can be so powerful, because a generic product can be replaced. But something featuring a customer's name, a pet, family, a photo, or a custom community name, that's when the product becomes emotional, which instantly becomes more valuable to the customer. You are no longer just selling a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, you are selling meaning attached to a product. This is the first mindset shift that you want to make. You do not need a giant fashion empire overnight. You need to create one product for a specific customer, and that is how brands begin. So one of the biggest mistakes that brands make is trying to sell clothing to everyone. They create one design for moms, one for nurses, another for dog owners, another for birthdays, another for Christmas. The shop starts to feel like random collections instead of a cohesive brand. Your goal is to choose a clear customer and a clear theme or niche that can go along with a theme page. Ask yourself, what does this person care about? What do they proudly identify with? What moments are they already shopping for? So you could choose anything from pet owners to brides and bridal parties, to moms and grandmothers, to sport parents or teachers, faith-based communities, and many more. The more clearly that you understand the person and community, the easier it becomes to create products they actually want. So instead of asking, what shirt should I make? Start asking, what would make my ideal customer feel seen? And your successful brand can launch from there.
Now we're over on Etsy, and before I create anything, I want to see what customers are already searching for. So you can type in like custom dog shirt, custom mom shirt, any type of a niche that you want to be in. And when you put a space here, Etsy will show you what people are searching for those keywords. So we have custom Christian shirt, custom Christian gifts, t-shirt, sweatshirt, book. So these are the types of products in this particular niche for custom items that people are looking for. So if we click on custom Christian shirt, we can see all of these custom shirts being pulled up here, and we can see this particular shirt is a bestseller, and as you can see, they have a huge spike of sales right here. So this is something we could potentially model or use as inspiration. Again, never ever copy, but understand the general idea of what customers are already purchasing. And so as you can see here, customers can customize this by typing in their church name there, and right underneath is where it would go on their actual shirt. You can also read customer reviews. Reviews are not only there to tell you whether a product was good, but they also reveal what customers care about. You may see customers saying the seller responded quickly, the shirt came out beautifully, I love seeing the proof before it was printed. The comments tell you what really matters emotionally and practically. So your job is to look at what's already working and then create your own version, maybe your own designs that feel more premium, maybe your niche is more specific, maybe your customer experience is easier, maybe your photography is stronger. You don't have to reinvent clothing, you just need to make the buyer decision clearer and more compelling. Now I'm just going to pop over to Kittle and use one of their already done templates, and I'm just going to type in church cross shirt design, and it's going to pull up a bunch of designs that you can actually customize. I'm going to use this template right here, and with Kittle you can change all of these different elements. So I'm going to delete this here, and then I am going to change this color right here to say a cream color, and so I'm going to go ahead and delete these, and I'm going to change this top text to my church is the best church, and then we'll put that right back where it was. Then in Printify, we'll be able to add some custom text underneath so that the customer can customize it. So now what I'm going to do is export this. We're going to remove the background and optimize the quality. Export. Then we're going to take that design and head over to Printify. If you're not set up with Printify yet, I'm going to link this down below so you can get started for free. No credit card required, and you have access to over 1,300 products with global delivery. Once you're logged in, we're going to go to the catalog, and to t-shirts, we're going to select this best-selling t-shirt, Comfort Colors 1717. As you can see, prices start as low as $10.72 for this t-shirt, and then you can mark it up about 45% or so and keep the profits without stocking any inventory, and you only pay for this once a customer has already purchased. And then we can go ahead and click Start Designing. And the first thing that I'm going to do is select my colors, because we want this to be on a dark color t-shirt for our light color design. So we will just select a few dark colored shirts here that may be popular with the church crowd. So let's do blue, red, and then we have our pepper. We're going to go ahead and upload our design. And now we're going to go ahead and click to personalize this. We can add personalizable text, and then this is where the customer will be able to type in their own church name. So first off, I'm changing the color of the text here, and then I'm just going to change the sizing of the text. And then we're going to change this custom church name. And in order to make sure that the colors actually match, what I'm going to do is come back over here and copy this color code right here and then paste it in the box right there. So we get the same color as the rest of our design, and then we can go through and change the font. So you just go through the fonts and find one that you like, and then this is where the customer will be able to type in whatever their church name is. And then looking at this, I decided I didn't like these flowers right here, so I'm going to go back to Kittle and download that again and get rid of those flowers. So over here we're going to click and delete, and then just go ahead and export this again. Okay, so that looks a lot better. So now let's go ahead and preview the design, and this is what it looks like as a mock-up on a person. I absolutely love it. That looks so cool. And now we can go ahead and save the product. Now we can go through all of the listing details. I went ahead and put the title from the inspiration shirt on Etsy that is a bestseller right here, and we're going to improve the listing with AI. And then in the description, we want to make sure that we note that it was made with the help of AI. And then we have our tags here. This is where we enable the preview for buyers to see their personalizations, so they can type everything in the box here instantly preview it. Then we scroll down, we want to select economy shipping, and we can edit the price. Right now, profit margins are set to about 48%. So that means every time you sell a shirt, you would make between $14 and $16. Once everything is good to go, then we can go ahead and publish it to our Etsy store. And then once it is over on Etsy, this is where a customer will select the color, the clothing size, and then they will type in their custom church name right there, and then they can preview the item. And then this is so cool. It pulls up a full preview with the customization right there. They already know exactly what it's going to look like, and then they can add it to the cart. This is one of the most powerful updates that Printify and Etsy have done as a collaboration. My mind is blown by this, and your customers are absolutely going to love this. This is going to save you so much time. It's going to give your customers so much confidence when they go to purchase because they know exactly what it's going to look like. It removes all of the friction, and this is going to increase conversions tenfold.
Because Printify is the first to offer live previews on Etsy, sellers using this feature actually have an opportunity to create a smoother buying experience than many other stores in their category. So the experience that the customer has during the buying process can definitely give you a leg up. But you still need a clear brand, niche, original designs, good product quality, and clear messaging. And don't forget reliable customer service. So live previews remove the friction for your client to purchase, and then your idea is what is going to connect with the customer. So this new customization feature is the bridge. Your listing creates interest, and the live preview creates confidence. And confidence helps your buyer move from browsing to buying. Now, when I first received that $1,000 personalized order, I was willing to do every single customization manually because I was so grateful to have the sale. And when you are starting, sometimes you have to do some things manually, but eventually you need systems. And the goal of automations is not to remove the personal touch from your business. The goal is to remove repetitive tasks that keeps you from serving more people. So when customers can submit their information correctly, upload their own photos, and preview the products before purchasing, then you ultimately have more time to focus on creating new designs, marketing, serving your customers, and building the actual brand. And this is what scalability looks like, not necessarily in doing more, but building a system that doesn't require all of your time for every task. And now I want to speak directly to the person who has seriously been considering starting their own clothing brand but has been talking themselves out of it. Maybe you think the market is too crowded. Maybe you don't think you're the best designer. Maybe you are worried that nobody will buy. Maybe you have started 3 different shops and abandoned them all. And maybe you're watching this because researching feels much safer than publishing. But every single clothing brand started from zero with nobody knowing who they are. Every successful Etsy shop had 0 sales, 0 reviews, 0 customers, and every single listing wasn't perfect. Their first design probably never became a bestseller, but they learned and grew simply because they started. You do not need to know what your business will look like 5 years from now. You just need the courage to create the first product, then enough consistency to create the next one and the next one. Do not measure your beginning against someone else's 10th year. Your job right now is not to prove that you can make $1 million company. Your job is to prove that you can follow through with one idea, one niche, one product, one listing, one sale. And that is how belief is built. Not by waiting until you feel completely confident. Confidence usually comes when you take action. Imagine opening your Etsy shop and seeing your first order. Imagine seeing a customer upload a photo of someone they love. Imagine them personalizing the product and placing the order without needing to message you back and forth. Imagine Printify producing, packing, and shipping the order while you are working on your next design. Then imagine receiving a review that says, "This was the perfect gift," or "My mom cried when she saw this," or "Our whole family loved these." This is what you are building. Not just clothing, a moment, a memory, a gift someone will remember, and you can start with the tools available to you right now. So let's recap the full process. First, choose a specific customer and niche. Second, research what the customer is already searching for on Etsy. Third, create your apparel product inside of Printify. Fourth, add your personalization touches. 5th, enable live previews so customers can see their personalizations directly on Etsy. 6th, create clear images, titles, and descriptions, then publish, collect data, and continue improving. You don't need inventory, you don't need to ship products yourself, you don't need to manually process customizations, and you don't need to wait until you're fully ready. And Printify is free to use. I will leave my link for you directly below this video so you can create your account and begin setting up your own custom apparel products. And once you create that first product, do not leave it sitting in your drafts, hit publish.